the Nigerian Genius.
A student of Federal University Otuoke, 500 level student of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering.
My name is Samson Mojum from Federal University Otuoke, Department of Mechanical and Mechatronics, 500 level.
My name is Vincent, a student of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering Department, Federal University Otuoke.
In the morning, the material given to us was toothpick to design a furniture.
But the task for today is to make any furniture of your choice using toothpicks. Okay? So you're making a toothpick furniture. Of course, it has to be miniature, whatever furniture you decide to make. But let it be, don't tell me this is a table and I look at it and it doesn't look like a table. Do you understand? So let it be something that I can easily define once I see it, even though it's a miniature pattern. Okay? Let it be stable too, as much as possible. And let it be creative, you know. It speaks of your ingenuity. As usual, you have 5 minutes to plan, 25 minutes to execute.
We are able to use the toothpicks to design a bedroom, having a bed, a flower vessel and flowers, having a foot mat and a table as well. So we are able to design a bedroom with toothpicks.
Seeing the materials, first of all, we're like, okay, what can we make with this? And our table has this bamboo feature, that is a wooden feature.
We expect to help to bring the skills of the people in different parts of the country who watch, the show will learn engineering, essential industry skills, advanced engineering skills. We also hope that the show will inspire Nigerians to venture into indigenous manufacturing. By the time they see the possibilities around here, they see the advanced engineering skills, and then they see the precision manufacturing equipment, they begin to have more hope in the capacity of Nigerians and Nigerian engineers to meet the needs of the industry. And then we hope that this will inspire more and more people to go into manufacturing. We also hope that this will also inspire young people, millions of young people in primary schools, in secondary schools, to begin to aspire to become engineers, future engineers. And by so doing, we will increase the population of engineers and technologists in Nigeria.
Our class today was on electronics and PCB design. So we glanced through the basics of electronics, the need for calculations in electronics, and also we had to design PCB using the PCB design software such as Pro Tools, Freezik, or eCAD. So after the design of the PCB, we took it to the PCB machine where we generated the necessary files that could convert our designs into G and M code. And we uploaded these codes to the machine and our PCB came. So literally we created a USB charger today and it was awesome. It was amazing.
This is something that we've been hearing, we've been seeing on YouTube. This is reality here in CIT. Honestly, I want to say a very big thank you to them, and they should continue in this step of moving Nigeria forward. Thank you. On Instagram, Twitter, please vote for Federal University Otuoke by commenting and liking as well. You can as well share. Thank you. We need your vote for this, please.
Yeah.
Vote for us.